Hello and welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the best long bungee cord available in the market, the 60-inch bungee cord with Carabiner from Strapright. This bungee cord is designed to be exceptionally strong, with a remarkable stretch of over 20 pounds. Thanks to superior UV-treated latex, setting it apart from ordinary rubber cords. The integrated molded carabiner provides a steadfast grip that won't bend, snap, or disconnect, offering advanced security. The bungee cord with carabiner is perfect for a wide range of uses, from camping to securing luggage, boats, and bikes, both indoors and outdoors. This value pack includes 6x60-inch robust black bungee cords with a carabiner, ensuring all your securing needs are covered. The wide mouth hooks on the carabiners make it easy to lock onto anchor points, providing a secure hold. Made with premium materials, the bungee cords are durable and long-lasting, pulling over 20 pounds each. The versatility of these bungee cords allows you to tackle any challenge, from fastening bulky items to securing smaller assets. The convenient 6-pack ensures you always have a bungee cord on hand whenever you need it. Strapright offers a full satisfaction guarantee, providing you with peace of mind when investing in these high-quality bungee cords. In conclusion, the 60-inch bungee cord with carabiner from Strapright is the best long bungee cord available in the market. With exceptional strength, advanced carabiner design, and universal utility, these bungee cords will meet all your securing needs with ease. Don't miss out on this top-quality product for camping, luggage, boats, and bikes. Thank you for watching Product Critique.